Today we're going to talk about matrimonial disputes, especially with people who are residing abroad, NRIs, or people who are permanent residents abroad. Usually in these kind of cases, either of the party comes from abroad and files cases against the other spouse, or sometimes it also happens that the person who is abroad can take recourse to litigation abroad for filing a suit for divorce in abroad, in the foreign country, where the divorce is very much easy to obtain. For example, if parties are married in India and maybe prior to that or after that they settle abroad, in that eventuality a plea can be taken that the provisions of the Hindu Marriage Act would apply. But it will also have to be seen if the parties are domiciled in India. Similarly, there has also been a lot of rise in the interparental abduction. Even parties, after staying abroad for quite number of years, whenever a dispute emanates between the parties, either of the spouse takes the child and comes to India and does not want to repatriate the child back to the foreign country in spite of an order of a foreign court. Because India is a safe haven. India is not a signatory to the Hague Convention. Though 95 countries have signed, in that eventualities, after obtaining the foreign court order, the other spouse has to take recourse to litigation in India to seek repatriation of the child abroad. Similarly, the woman in most of the cases, after having suffered domestic violence, can also come to India and take recourse to the provisions of Domestic Violence Act, and they can file cases, they can claim maintenance, they can claim alternative residence, they can also claim compensation for the wrong done to them, and the jurisdiction can be invoked only on the basis of temporary or permanent resident, even though they were settled and living permanently abroad. The invocation of 498A proceedings on the ground of dowry harassment has always been on the rise. But due to certain judgments of the Supreme Court, especially in Agnesh Kumar, now the relief is given to the husbands and their family members who earlier had to face harassment of being arrested in false criminal cases.
Get expert legal advice with LawRato.com. Hit subscribe on our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. You can also follow our Facebook page and get the latest posts in your newsfeed.